Jai Sriman Narayana. 31st sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Anaditvat Nirgunatvat Paramatmayam Avyayaha Sharirasthopi Kaunteya Nakaroti Nalipyate. Om. Always remember that as long as you are in this body, you are under the impact of all the changes that are occurring to your body. But those changes are not occurring to yourself. Remember that and always realize and continuously contemplate that you are beyond these changes of material nature. You have no beginning. You are beyond all the gunas. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always remember that as long as I am in the body, I am under the impact of all the changes that are occurring to body. I shall realize that I am beyond this material nature. I have no beginning and I am beyond all the gunas. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 258th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma's divine feet is like a boat, and all the great people, those who have surrendered to Paramatma, they were able to cross the ocean of samsaram and attain Sri Vaikuntha Dhamam. Oh Parikshit Narendra, so far I have told you the stories of Paramatma, Sri Krishna Paramatma, what he has done. Like he went into forest, he did kill Aghasura, he ate along with his friends, and he has shown so many forms to Chaturmukha Brahma. Etatu suhrudbhihi charitam murarehe agha ardanam sadvalaje manancha vyakta itarat rupam ajoru abhishtavam shunvan grunan yeti naraha akhilardhan. Aghasuravadha. And Krishna Paramatma sitting along with his friends on the grass and eating the food. Krishna Paramatma showing so many forms to Chaturmukha Brahma. Chaturmukha Brahma praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. All these stories, E Kadhalan Chaduvan Vininan Korki Sambhavinchu. Those who listens to these stories or those who reads these stories, definitely all of their wishes will be fulfilled. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra bestowing his Mangala Sasanam to every one of us. Now, Balarama Krishna, then along with his friends in Vrindavanam, they spent their young boy life while playing with all his friends, different varieties of hide and seek, like so many sports, so many things they played and spent their very young life in Vrindavanam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 31st sloka. Anaditvat nirgunatvat paramatmayam avyayaha sharirastopi kaunteya nakaroti nalipyate. Anaditvat nirgunatvat paramatmayam avyayaha sharirastopi kaunteya nakaroti nalipyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.